Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the clutch and blade of the Thermomix TM21. This process requires a few specific tools and a bit of patience. Let's get started by discussing the tools you'll need. First, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep all your tools organized. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM21 to ensure your safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the base of the device. There are typically 4 screws located at the corners. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base cover off. This will expose the internal components of the Thermomix. Here, you will see the motor and the clutch mechanism. Take a moment to inspect the area for any debris or buildup. It's essential to clean this area before proceeding with any repairs. Using the soft cloth, wipe down the internal parts carefully. This will help prolong the life of your machine and ensure optimal performance. If you find any issues during cleaning, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, locate the clutch. You'll notice it's held in place by a few more screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Once removed, gently pull out the clutch. If it's stuck, use the flathead screwdriver to pry it loose carefully. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components. With the clutch removed, it's time to replace the blade. The blade is typically secured with a locking mechanism. Use your pliers to release this mechanism. If you find it difficult, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making this process easier for you. Once the blade is free, take your new blade and insert it into the same spot. Ensure it's aligned correctly with the locking mechanism. Secure it in place using the pliers. This step is crucial for the proper functioning of your Thermomix. Next, take the new clutch and position it back into the device. Ensure that it fits snugly and aligns with the screw holes. Use your Phillips screwdriver to reattach the screws, making sure they're tight but not overly so, to avoid stripping the screws. After everything is in place, it's essential to clean any residual dust or debris from your workspace. This helps maintain a clean environment for your appliance. If at any point you feel uncertain about the process, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions about your appliance care. Finally, reattach the base cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Thermomix TM21 and run a short test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You should hear the blade running smoothly without any unusual noises. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the clutch and blade of your Thermomix TM21. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to keeping your appliance in top shape. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for help or professional services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.